You do not need a passport, a high-end camera, or a massive budget to build a dominating travel brand today. I hit 100,000 subscribers by bypassing traditional filming entirely and using advanced VideoGen templates instead. 100,000 subscribers and absolutely 0 days spent filming on location. Stop wasting months on manual edits that get completely ignored by the algorithm. I have discovered a secret workflow using optimized VideoGen templates that scaled my Faceless travel channel faster than almost any traditional vlogger. By bridging the gap between automated stock footage and cinematic storytelling, I have unlocked a production workflow that scales at lightning speed. Welcome back to AI Tech. Today, I am showing you exactly how to deploy high-retention templates to build a six-figure audience in the fiercely competitive travel niche. This aggressive optimization strategy outpaces manual editing, allowing you to dominate the global attention economy without ever leaving your desk. To understand this strategy, we must first look at the evolution of the invisible creator. Let us contrast the traditional high-cost travel production with the modern reality of AI-driven faceless channels. Traditionally, starting a travel channel meant buying expensive camera gear, booking expensive flights, dealing with terrible weather, securing filming permits, and spending weeks meticulously editing a single vlog. It was a logistical and financial nightmare. However, we are experiencing a massive surge in global travel demand, and the psychology of the viewer has changed. The modern audience is looking for the destination, not the creator. They want to know the best hidden spots in Kyoto, the ultimate budget guide to Bali, or the safest digital nomad hubs in Europe. They prioritize cinematic information over a creator's face. This shifts the power dynamic. It introduces the concept of the automated storyteller, a digital system that bridges the gap between raw, fragmented stock footage and high-end television quality aesthetics. You become the director of an invisible production company. So, how do we actually build this? The secret lies in the architecture of VideoGen optimization. You cannot simply stitch random video clips together and expect to go viral. The YouTube algorithm is far too smart for that. This is where VideoGen changes the game completely. The latest VideoGen rendering engine utilizes deep semantic search to find visuals. It does not just look for the keyword beach, it reads the emotional tone of your script. If your script describes a mysterious, untouched, and serene coastline, VideoGen scans its massive premium database to find footage that perfectly matches that exact mood. Furthermore, we utilize the deep customization of proprietary templates within VideoGen. Raw stock footage can sometimes feel lifeless, but VideoGen allows you to apply dynamic typography, motion graphics, and advanced color grading overlays automatically. These cinematic filters mask the stock footage feel, unifying diverse clips into a single, cohesive, high-budget visual identity. The workflow is incredibly efficient. You feed your researched travel data and script into VideoGen, select your customized visual template, and the AI engine generates a 10-minute, high-retention cinematic travel documentary in under an hour. You are achieving Hollywood-level visual synthesis with zero manual timeline editing. With the production bottleneck eliminated, we must deploy an algorithm-first content strategy. Why are we targeting the travel niche? Because specific travel sub-niches, such as budget luxury, hidden digital nomad hubs, and solo travel safety guides, are currently exploding in the YouTube ecosystem. Instead of guessing what people want to watch, we integrate real-time trend data into our template selection process. If search volume spikes for affordable retirement in Portugal, our system immediately triggers a VideoGen production around that exact topic. The true magic, however, is in the psychological triggers used in our template-driven pacing. To succeed on YouTube, your average view duration must remain above the 50% mark. VideoGen is programmed to maintain aggressive visual momentum. It executes dynamic cuts every 3 to 4 seconds, adds subtle slow-motion zooms to landscape shots, and perfectly syncs the background audio to the visual transitions. The viewer is kept in a constant state of visual stimulation. They are mesmerized by the cinematic beauty and highly structured information, ensuring massive audience retention and forcing the YouTube algorithm to push the video to millions of new viewers. Once the algorithmic momentum is established, we focus on scaling to the 6-figure milestone. Let us break down the mathematics of a high-volume upload schedule. When you remove the physical filming bottleneck, your output is limited only by your processing power. A traditional travel vlogger might upload 1 video a week if they are exhausted. With this VideoGen workflow, you can comfortably deploy 3 to 4 highly polished videos every single week. This relentless consistency creates a snowball effect in the YouTube algorithm. Moreover, scaling to 6 figures means expanding your monetization diversification far beyond basic AdSense. The travel niche is a goldmine for affiliate marketing. In the description of every automated video, we integrate highly lucrative affiliate links for travel insurance, hotel booking platforms like Agoda or Booking.com, and digital nomad gear. Every time a viewer gets inspired by your cinematic VideoGen video and books a hotel, you earn a commission while you sleep. As the channel grows, you will transition from a solo operator into a streamlined media executive. The VideoGen templates effectively handle the heavy lifting of a full 5-person production team, acting as your researcher, your videographer, your video editor, and your colorist, all running seamlessly in the cloud. Looking ahead, we must prepare for the future of automated media empires. We are forecasting a massive shift toward hyper-personalized travel content as artificial intelligence video generation becomes completely indistinguishable from reality. The channels that established their architectural frameworks now will dominate the next decade of media consumption. But how do you ensure the long-term sustainability of this faceless model and protect your channel against future platform policy shifts? The answer is uncompromising quality. The YouTube algorithm will always reward high value and deep engagement. By using VideoGen to continuously refine your visual storytelling, adding immense educational value to your scripts, and maintaining a premium aesthetic, your channel becomes algorithm-proof. You have the exact roadmap in front of you. You can implement this automated workflow immediately and capitalize on the current attention economy. You do not need to wait for your next vacation to start a travel channel. You can build a global media brand from your laptop right now. Stop watching other people travel the world while you are stuck editing manually. It is time to automate your empire. I have provided an exclusive link to VideoGen in the description below. Click the link, explore the high-retention cinematic templates, and generate your first viral travel documentary today. Build your empire. Try VideoGen now. The link is in the description.